Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 17th of December. And first of all, national news. New law even for Pak. India slammed Bilawal Bhutto's comments against PM. No case is too big or small for Supreme Court. Chief Justice. Consumer Protection Body sent notice to Flipkart, Meesho for sale of asset. Illegal call center defrauding senior citizens in US busted in Delhi. CBI registered 3 more cases against fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi. Rajasthan government likely to enact law to set up education regulator in coaching centers. No proposal under consideration. Center on allowing proxy voting for NRIs. India's dependence on China for rare earth materials not good, Congress MP. AIMS data retrieved, services restored, government on cyber attack. Delhi government can't abandon aid for COVID death of cop, High Court. President called for more women leaders for India's inclusive development. PM Modi told Putin dialogue, diplomacy only way forward on Ukraine war. Delhi teacher suspended for throwing class 5 student off school balcony. Countries eager to sign free trade agreements with India, Commerce Minister. India firmly in control of border, Eastern Army commander on China clash. And now international news. European Union warned Elon Musk of sanctions after Twitter suspensions. 14,000 cops across France on guard for troublemakers during World Cup final. Rishi Sunak hopeful for resolution to Northern Ireland trade row with EU. Indian origin Leo Varadkar set to return as Ireland PM for second time. Japan unveiled unprecedented $320 billion military investment plan over 5 years. Russian strike across Ukraine, water supply hit in Kyiv, metro suspended. Russia's Putin and Belarus Lukashenko to hold talks on Monday. Go all out. China prepared for holiday season COVID spread. US released more than 12,000 documents on John F. Kennedy assassination. Harvard University appointed first black president, Claudine Gay. North Korea tested high thrust solid fuel motor to develop strategic weapon. EU agreed fresh sanctions on Russia over Ukraine war. Diplomats. And now some sports news. Andy Murray's Ukraine pledge nets $630,000. Neeraj Chopra replaced Usain Bolt in global interest chart. Tokyo Olympics scandal made Sapporo bid difficult. Governor. Indian women look to stay alive in T20 series against Australia. 3 France players fall sick 2 days before World Cup final versus Argentina. Spanish great Sergio Busquets announced international retirement. FIFA to revisit plan to scrap 4 team groups. Gianni Infantino. And now news related to business. Sensex plunged 460 points, extending deep losses for second straight session. Rupee fall 12 paise to 82.88 per dollar on global economic growth worries. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation to raise equity share capital to meet liability. $200 billion textile industry faced hard times as inflation hit consumer sentiment. Efforts taken to check Chinese loan apps, Finance Minister in Parliament. Workout strategies to draw global businesses to India, Finance Minister to Indian industry. India set to become a $5 trillion economy by 2025, Nitin Gadkari. Recession in West gave a chance to draw companies to India, Finance Minister. News from Science and Technology. Elon Musk SpaceX will allow smartphones to directly connect to Starlink broadband in coming years, a report said. NASA's Juno to explore most volcanic place in the solar system. Webb telescope's Pearl's image captures galactic diamonds. And micrometeoroid strike could because of Russian spacecraft leak. Astronomers discovered that two distant planets are mostly water. And that's all in news. Thank you.